What's going on, everybody? So I got a little bit of tinkering I'm going to do. So I ordered coil adapters for the hack job. So 2002 to 2005 Trailblazers and 4.2 liters run this style of coil. Don't know the total specs on it, but I do know 06 and plus are a better coil. But what these do, let me get one I'm not going to get. What these do is allow you to run the 06 coil on on older engines. Now it'll bolt in. There's no real advantage to naturally aspirated situations like this. I think it looks cool and it'll be different. And there is a small possibility that I might be toying with boost on the hack job. So I think I'm going to tear it all apart and replace the coil packs. I also need to clean it. So there's a great possibility it's going to be clean. Got them installed. They look freaking cool. It sucks. I'm going to cover them up with a resonator. And that looks cool. I'm going to have to eliminate the resonator. Let's see if it'll run. Well, it runs, but it seems as though I got a dead coil pack. I'm gonna keep tinkering with it. You ever do stuff and just wonder why you even do things? Yeah, that wasn't broke until I started messing with it. I don't have a dead coil pack. I had a bad connection. And find out my pins are, yeah, they ain't gonna focus. Pretty wired out on my Delphi plug there, so I tried to work on it and it didn't work out. That's okay though. I'm gonna order new plugs and stuff. I got a catalog here. Hopefully get it back here within the next week or so. So we'll see what happens.